Wow, Schluter, 950 volts, a mechanical monster. It's pure adrenaline. When their teammates' truck tipped over, the Hyundai HL 780-9 and the large Doosan excavator sprang into action. Thanks to their excellent teamwork, the dump truck was righted quickly.
Все, падает! Падает! Вот этого мы и боялись.
Oh my God! Not every driver is skillful enough to overcome this situation. That was like watching a building evaporate. Boom! And it's dust. The big cat saves the little one, and out of nowhere, it bolts off like lightning. Did anyone else see that? What an unpredictable situation. Wow, that was an intense climb.